There would be no YouTube user in India who have not heard about Kariminati, also known as Ajay Nagar. Winning the hearts of over 30 million subscribers and taking YouTube through a sensation, this young man has shown there is nothing impossible. All you have to do is to be yourself and keep working. He believes that success lies with people who are themselves and those who never try to copy anyone. This may sound as the most simplest and yet the most difficult task, but this is the only thing that you need to do. No education and no pressure can help you realize what you truly are, but only an honest self-reflection. Life of this school dropout turned YouTuber is truly a testament to the notion of being yourself. Ajay Nagar, popularly known as Kariminati, was born in Faridabad on the 12th of June 1999. He studied in Delhi Public School Faridabad until 2016 before he dropped out of school. He has even skipped his board exams, fearing if he will even pass his economics exam. He wanted to be a YouTuber from a very young age and began his current YouTube channel in 2014. He says that he had planned to discontinue studies if he reaches 50,000 subscribers by the time he finishes 12th standard, and he did exactly what he said. Only that the reason he quit was not because of the number of followers he had. He was really confident with what he wanted. Hence, convincing his parents to let him do what he wanted was more a gradual step than a difficult one. He managed to get a good computer and a room for shooting his video. He informed them about his plan to be a full-time YouTuber when he hit 100k subscribers. His dedication and passion for his work has already moved his parents, and they allowed him to pursue his dream. He began his first channel in the name of Addicted A1, a name which he thought was very cool at that time. Just like any urban teenage boy, he was also a gamer. And he uploaded gaming videos with his reactions to them. Kariminati also had a channel named Stealth Fears. On this channel he used to post videos of football tips and tutorials, technology tutorials, gameplays, etc. It was a beginning for him, so at that time he didn't know much about YouTube. This channel helped him to learn various things on YouTube. Channel wasn't that successful, but it was a beginning and a very crucial learning stage for him. He was not able to match the quality of other channels at that time, and he was just a kid at that time. So, he didn't get much views on this channel at that time. Due to lack of knowledge about content creation and engagement, those videos didn't garner much of an audience. Not only that, he started getting bored. Upon his decision to move on to better content, he started the channel named Kari Deol. It fared way better than his older videos. His content was different but still was within the gaming field. People who are in the Counter-Strike community really liked his work. He was able to engage with the audience as well. As an impulsive teenager boy, neither did Ajay Nagar have the patience to keep doing what he was doing. That is when he realized his knack for giving appropriate reactions and roasting. He uploaded videos where he reacted to various videos, and people started to really like his works. Since then he has been doing that until this day. It is in fact roasting that has made him what he is today. A lot of YouTubers have followed his suit in the emerging subfield of YouTube roasting. Many people think that there is a big story behind the name Kariminati. Kariminati says it was just a name he thought was cool. When he named his channel Kari Deol, he used to mimic people and actors like Sunny Deol. He also used to troll people during the Counter-Strike game. Later, when he switched to roasting, he just felt that the name was not apt anymore. And the word Kariminati was a creation of his own mind. He wanted to be something cool and nice, that resulted in this popular name. Indian YouTube scene was flourishing from 2016 and was booming really fast. Ajay came up with a new channel named Kari is Live, where he started live streaming of various games and played games like PUBG, Call of Duty, Apex Legends, Among Us, Getting Over It, Counter-Strike and many more games with funny commentary. People loved his live streams, and this channel was also successful within a short period of time. He has even collaborated with gaming sensations like Soul Mortal, Hydra Dynamo, Scout, Krontang, 8-Bit Thug and many more. His life had its own shares of controversies as well. His YouTube video titled YouTube vs TikTok went viral in 2020. It had content that roasted a TikTok star named Amir Siddiqui. The roasting was very personal, which included trolling him for his grammatical mistakes. Many people felt that the way he roasted was not right. Soon, YouTube removed this controversial video for violating its policies, which again led to another row demanding justice for Kariminati. The same hashtag had gone viral during that time. This did not stop the talented YouTuber. He continued to make new contents and grow. He is very conscious about the responsibility he has towards his audience, and he takes care not to create any kind of bad influence on his audience through his video. His growth over the years was tremendous. He was one among the top 10 next generation leaders by the Times magazine. Today he has a silver, gold and diamond button for his channel. In 2020, he was one among the Forbes 30 Under 30. Moreover, he continues to win laurels for his dialogue delivery, content creation and striking Hindi accent. Today, his YouTube family has over 30 million subscribers, which is an unimaginable achievement for many. He also met popular American actor Tom Cruise in one of his videos to promote the latest installment of the Mission Impossible series. On a platform like YouTube, you never know what will get attention and when. One thing that you have to do is to keep working and be patient. Ajay Nagar says that you should not expect success overnight. It does not happen in a few days. The most important thing is to be as engaging as possible. One should also ensure that there is constant growth even in small ways. Even that counts. As far as Carryminati is concerned, he has evolved from gaming videos to reactions, roasting, skits and even music albums. The first thing you need to be is you. This is one thing that Ajay Nagar aka Carryminati says out loud through his own life. Every person will have one field in which they are passionate about. You have to identify your niche and develop upon it, and the rest will follow. More than the number of followers or the money you make, it is the satisfaction you have and the passion you have to what you do which is important. People like Carryminati will continue to be dazzling examples for the glory that sheer passion will bring in. This was the video guys. If you enjoyed Carryminati's motivational success story and want to hear from me again, subscribe before you leave. I strongly encourage you to watch this video on the screen as well. I am certain that this success story will drive you insane.